Learn English. Hello, everybody. Here are the two words we will learn today. Number one is outside, and it's powered by electricity. Number two is a color. Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. The street lights are on. The street lights are on. Street lights. These are lights we use at night near a road. Now we can make a flashcard for street light. Please make a card like this. Write street light up here in the top left corner. STREETLIGHT. Down here, CTY 1. This means city, level 1. And over here the number 44 out of 50. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like E. Street. The red part sounds like I. Light. Street light. Number two, please listen and write this in your notebook. The leaves are brown. The leaves are brown. Brown. The leaves are brown. Brown is a color. Now we can make a flashcard for brown. If we use it like this, brown is a noun. If we use it like this, then brown is an adjective. Please make a card like this. Write brown up here in the top left corner. BROWN. Down here in this corner, color 1. And over here the number 3 out of 11. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like ow. Brown. Game over. You did very well today. Today we learned street light, very good, to help you see at night. And a color? Brown. That's right. And if you're high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Can you say number 1? Very good. Type. Yeah, we say what type of, similar to what kind of. Number 2 is for food. Fried, yes. For example, fried fish. Number 3, can you say it? To weigh. To weigh something, to find out how many kilograms. Today is Friday, June 13th. please write your language on the other side of the card. This is a complete 2-year course, and we have a rotating schedule, so you can join anytime. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.